Here we will see subqueries with insert, update and delete in SQL Server. First we will see subquery with insert statement. We can use the subqueries along with the insert statement. Here the data returned by the subquery is inserted into another table. To ensure correct execution, it is important to follow certain rules. First is explicitly specify the name of the column in the target table where the records will be inserted, and arrange the columns in the select list in the same order as they appear in the source table. General syntax is insert into table name, select star from another table, and where value operator. For example, insert into employee 11, select star from employee 1. It will insert all records from the employee 1 table to employee 11. Then insert into employee 11 with field name, employee code and employee name, and select employee code, employee name from employee 1. Here it will insert all records from the employee 1 to employee 11 with specified fields. Insert into employee 11, select star from employee 1 where experience is greater than 1. It will insert all records from the employee 1 to employee 11 which satisfies the condition. Then subqueries with update statement. The update statement is used to modify an existing record within the table. In the update statement, the two clauses in which subqueries are most commonly used are set and where. The set operator enables us to assign a new value to the column that is going to be modified by the update statement, and where clause is used to restrict the subquery output for specific conditions. General syntax is update table name, set column name equal to new value, where operator, and in bracket will give subquery as select column name from another table name, and where condition. For example, update employee 1, set experience equal to experience into 2, where experience in, and will give select statement as select experience from employee 11 where experience equal to 2. It will update the employee 1 table with experience into 2 where experience in the employee 11 table is 2. Then subqueries with delete statement. The subqueries can also be used with the delete statement to delete one or more multiple records from the table. To delete records, subquery is executed with where clause. General syntax is delete from table name, where operator, and will give subquery as select column name from table name, where condition. For example, delete from employee 1 where employee code in, select EMP code from employee 11 where experience equal to 2. It will delete all records from the employee 1 table where experience from the employee 1 table is 2 for specifies employee. Then we'll execute these queries in SQL Server. First we'll use database as project 1. Here we are going to use the tables employee 1 and employee 11. So I'll display data from that table first. Select star from employee 1 and select star from employee 11. In employee 1 there are 5 records and in employee 11 there are no records. So we'll insert data from employee 1 to employee 11. So I will give insert into employee 11 and will give select star from employee 1. And I'll execute this command. It will give 5 rows affected. We will display data from both the table. Here 5 records are inserted in employee 11 table. Then we will delete the data from the employee 11 to execute another query. Now I will insert with specific fields. I will give employee code, comma employee name, and here also we will select these two fields. So EMP code, EMP name, and we will execute this. It will give 5 rows affected. Again we will display data from these two tables. It will insert employee code and employee name to employee 11 table from the employee 1 table. Since we have not specified the experience, it will insert the default value. Again we will delete the data from employee 11 and now we will insert records for specific conditions. So insert into employee 11, we will give here select star from employee 1 and we will give condition as where experience is greater than 2, and we execute this. It will give 1 row affected and will display data from these two tables. Since we have given the condition experience greater than 2, only one record is inserted to employee 11 whose experience is greater than 3. If I delete and if I give experience greater than or equal to 2, it will give 3 rows affected. And when we display data from this table, here 3 records are inserted to employee 11 whose experience is greater than or equal to 2. Now we'll use update statement. So update employee 1, set experience equal to experience into 2, where experience in, we will give select statement as select experience from employee 11 where experience equal to 2, and we will execute this query. It will give 2 rows affected. will display data from these two tables. So here in employee 1 table, whose experience is 2, is multiplied by 2. So it will give the experience as 4 for 2 records. Now I'll check delete statement. So delete from employee 1, where employee code we will use in. Select EMP code from employee 11, where experience equal to 2, and we execute this. It will give 2 rows affected. We will display the data from these 2 tables. Here 2 records are deleted from employee 1 table whose experience is 2. So employee code 4 and 5 are having experience 2. So these 2 records are deleted from employee 1 table.